part of the video. In the last video, seen about the Pythagoras theorem का एक theorem हम लोगों ने देख लिया था. So I told you there are 3 theorems in Pythagoras section. So the second theorem we will be seeing today. The theorem says in a right triangle, this is a right triangle given to you. ABC is a right triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. ये theorem हम लोग 8th स्टैंडर्ड या 7th स्टैंडर्ड से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि एक्चुअली में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम होता क्या है. दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ द सम ऑफ अदर टू साइड्स. सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज रिटन हियर. स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेन्यूज is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Sum of the square of the other two side. ये हमको क्या करना है? प्रूफ करना है. So what is given in the question is ABC is a right angle triangle. This is given to us. It is a right angle triangle and you all can see the right angle is at B. So this angle makes 90 degree. So it is right angled at B. We need to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. ये हमको प्रूफ करना है. ये प्रूफ करने के लिए मुझे कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा. The construction would be draw BD perpendicular to AC. So the construction is BD perpendicular to AC. So this will be 90 degree. This makes 90 degree because it is perpendicular. Now let's have a look how I can prove this theorem. ये हम कैसे प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. As we have already mentioned in the last theorem कि ये triangle will be similar to the whole triangle and this triangle will also be similar to the whole triangle and these two triangles will also be similar to each other. Now by using that theorem, the last theorem which we have proved in the last video under the Pythagoras section, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. तो ये दोनों triangle ले लिए, ये वाला and बड़ा वाला. Both are similar. We have already proved in the previous theorem. So यहाँ पे अगर ये similar है, since triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC, therefore we can say that ratios for the corresponding sides will be equal. If now ये वाला छोटा triangle and ये बड़ा triangle मैं फिर से इधर बना देती हूँ. So this is A, B and C. So this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. ठीक है. तो इसका hypotenuse छोटे वाले का AB upon इसका hypotenuse AC will be equal to इसका base AD upon इसका base BA. If you cross multiply this, BA or AB will give you AB square is equals to AC into AD. Let this be equation number 1. Now similarly in triangle BDC and the whole triangle ABC, what we can see. See, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Again these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding ratios will be similar. So the hypotenuse for this is BC upon CA will be equal to this perpendicular DC upon BC. If we cross multiply, we will get BC square is equals to CA into DC. This is our second equation. Now we can say this is AB square and BC square. What we want in proof is addition of AB square plus BC square. So what we need to do, we need to add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. अगर 1 and 2 को मैं add कर दूंगी तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? That will be AB square plus BC square will be equal to AC square AC into AD plus CA into DC. Can we take out CA common from your AC और CA एक ही बात है. AC common निकाल लिया तो मेरे पास बचा AD plus DC, isn't it? So this is AB square plus BC square. Now you can say that AD plus DC gives you AC. So this will be AC into AC and AB square plus BC square. So what we have here is AC into AC will give you AC square. So ये ही हमको प्रूफ करना था कि the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So we have proved just by using the last theorem which we have already proved in the previous video. So the next theorem which is there for the Pythagoras is in a triangle if the square of one side is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides, जो कि हमने अभी प्रूफ किया कि अगर hypotenuse square AC square is nothing but AB square plus BC square के equal होगा, in which case ये वाले केस में, ठीक है। तो अगर यदि ऐसा फुलफिल हो रहा है, so in a triangle if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two side, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. Angle opposite to first side means the angle opposite to the hypotenuse. I mean, this angle will be 90 degree. If this condition is fulfilled, we can say that the angle is right angle triangle. So we need to prove in this. To prove की condition यहाँ पे ये आती है कि आपको ये prove करना है angle B should be 90 degree. तो एंगल B 90 हो जाएगा जब ये कंडीशन फुलफिल होगी. एज फॉर नाउ दिस प्रूफ हैज बीन डिलीटेड. द प्रूफ इज देयर बट फॉर 2021 बैच इट इज बीन डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द सिलेबस द प्रूफ फॉर द थ्योरम. बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस वी नीड टू नो द थ्योरम व्हाट द थ्योरम सेज. सो थ्योरम सेज इफ दिस कंडीशन इज फुलफिल्ड द एंगल अपोजिट टू द हाइपोटेन्यूज विल बी 90 डिग्री. So I hope what does the statement of the theorem says must be clear. So all the three theorems for under the Pythagoras sections must be clear. I hope. पहली theorem थी कि हम लोगों ने कैसे triangles को similar proof किया. दूसरी theorem थी कि ये statement को proof करना कि ये Pythagoras है जब हमको 90 डिग्री दिया गया था. Now it is been as this is the given condition and we need to prove it is 90 degree. So I can say this is a converse statement for the last theorem. We are done with the theorems. Let's have a look on the questions related to the Pythagoras theorem. So the question is angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. So which angle is given 90 degree? This angle is 90 degree. It is given in the question. And CD is perpendicular to AB. We need to prove that BC square upon AC square is equals to BD upon AD. So what is given in the question is angle C 90 degree दिया हुआ है. This is a right angle triangle. CD is perpendicular to AB. And we need to prove this. So let's start with the proof. हमको करना क्या है, ये 90 डिग्री दिया है तो हम क्या थ्योरम नंबर 7 से बोल सकते हैं कि दिस ट्राइंगल विल बी सिमिलर टू द होल ट्राइंगल. मींस ट्राइंगल ACD will be similar to triangle ABC. And if it is triangle are similar, the corresponding angles will also be corresponding sides will be similar. So can I write AC? अभी मैं पहले बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल इधर बना देती हूँ so that ACB, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. So hypotenuse AC छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल का hypotenuse अपॉन बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल का hypotenuse is equals to AD छोटे वाले ट्राइंगल का बेस अपॉन CA, right? If we cross multiply it, we will get AC into CA is nothing but AC square is equals to AD into AB. So let this be equation number 1. ठीक है? Now again we can say from the theorem, this is by theorem 7. जो हमने स्टार्टिंग पाइथागोरस में प्रूफ करी थी. नाउ इन ट्राइंगल दैट इज अ ट्राइंगल BCD is similar to triangle ABC as already we have proved by the theorem. Now we can write like BC will be upon AB is equals to BD is nothing but BD is perpendicular. So here we will have BC. So if we cross multiply again we will get BC square is equals to AB into BD. Let this be equation number 2. What we want is BC square upon AC square. BC square upon AC square. क्या मैं 2 को 1 से डिवाइड कर दूं? 2 divided by 1. I will get my left hand side portion. So let's see. Let's have a look here. So BC square upon what is given AC square is equals to AB into BD upon AD into AB. Can we cancel out AB from both the sides? ऊपर नीचे से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. And what is remaining with us is BC square upon AC square is equals to यहाँ पे बच रहा है BD upon यहाँ पे बच रहा है AD. So BC square BD upon AD यही चाहिए था तो मिल गया प्रूफ. So this is the way by using the Pythagoras theorem we can prove these types of sums. Now let's have a look on to this question. If AD is perpendicular to BC, it is given that AD is perpendicular to BC, this makes 90 degree. Prove that AB square plus CD square is equals to BD square plus AC square. So what is we need to prove is AB square, CD square, BD square and AC square. अगर आपने ऑब्जर्व किया तो सारे साइड मेरे को इसमें इंक्लूड हो रहे हैं रिमेनिंग AD square. Now how to eliminate AD square is the main trick in this question. So what is given to us is AD is perpendicular to BC. This is given to us and we need to prove this statement. So let's look for the proof now. Can we say in triangle ACD या ADC, ये वाले ट्राइंगल में, ये वाले ट्राइंगल में मैं क्या पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगा सकती हूँ? एंड बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड दैट माय हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द अदर साइड्स प्लस CD स्क्वायर. मेरे को क्या नहीं चाहिए? AD नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरे पूरे प्रूफ में AD नहीं है. So I will keep this AD here and I will take CD here. So AC square minus CD square is nothing but equal to AD square. Let this be equation number 1. ठीक है? Now similarly in triangle ADB में हम लोग again this triangle में फिर से पाइथागोरस लगा सकते हैं because this is 90 degree. So hypotenuse is AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Again what I don't want is AD square. Take this side. AB square minus BD square is equals to AD square. This is equation number 2. Can we see equation 1 is also AD square, equation 2 is also AD square. I can equate both the equation. If I equate both the equation, equating 1 and 2. 1 and 2 equate किया तो मेरे को मिलेगा AC square minus CD square is equals to AB square minus BD square. पर आप लोग बोलेंगे कि यहाँ पे तो प्लस में दिया है, ले जाओ इधर, इसको इधर ले आओ, इसको इधर ले जाओ. AC square plus BD square, AB square ये इधर जाएगा तो प्लस का बन जाएगा CD square. AB square plus CD square, BD square plus AC square, यही प्रूफ करना था, आ गया प्रूफ. So this is the way how we can use the Pythagoras theorem. You can mention your by Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है? Have a look onto this question. A ladder 15 meter long reaches a window which is 9 meter of a ground on one side of the street. Keeping its foot at the same point, the ladder turned to the other side of the street to reach a window 12 meter high. Find the width of the street. So what is given in the question is, first of all you need to make a diagram with the given information. If you are done with the diagram, your question is done. So let's have a look. 15 meter long ladder है, उसको कहाँ पहुँचना है? 9 मीटर की विंडो पर पहुँचना है. So this is a window, this is a ground. So this is 9 meter above. Here we have a window. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे window है, यहाँ पे ladder को पहुँचना है, तो we will be keeping the ladder like this. So this is 15 meter of ladder. So the foot of the ladder is this. So the ladder needs, this is the 15 meter ladder which is be hanging around for the 9 meter high window. So which is 9 meter of a ground on one side of the street. Keeping its foot at the same point. मतलब ladder का foot इधर ही रखना है. Keeping the foot at the same point, the ladder turned to the other side. Means the ladder is turn to the other side. यहाँ पे ladder गई. Ladder गई to the other side of the street to reach the window of, अभी कौन सी window पे reach करेगी? 12 meter high. So the ladder, the height of the ladder remains same 15 meter. Here you will have 12 meter. So what you need to find the width of the street. Street की width find करनी है, मतलब कि आपको ये वाला portion find करना है पूरा. तो इसको मान लेते हैं x, इसको मान लेते हैं y. So you need to find x plus y, right? तो यहाँ पे एक दूसरी विंडो है जो कि 12 मीटर हाइट पर है. तो क्या आपको लगता नहीं अभी ये 90 डिग्री ये 90 डिग्री बनाएगा? बिकॉज द विंडो विल बी स्ट्रेट, इट विल बी मेकिंग अ परपेंडिकुलर टू द ग्राउंड एंड सो दिस विल बी 90 डिग्री. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ ग्राउंड. तो ये 90 डिग्री बनाएगा. सो कैन आई नेम दिस एज ए बी सी डी एंड ई. सो इन दिस ए बी सी जो ट्राइंगल है ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, एंड इन द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल आई कैन पुट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम एंड आई कैन टेक आउट एक्स. सो इन ट्राइंगल ABC, ये तो हम बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, ये जब हम बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. बस मेन मोटो था क्वेश्चन का, क्वेश्चन गिवन कंडीशंस में से डायग्राम को निकालना बस. इन ट्राइंगल ABC में मैं देखूंगी तो AC स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर, एंड आई नो AC स्क्वायर इज 15 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AB स्क्वायर है 9 स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. सो BC स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 15 स्क्वायर इज 225 माइनस 9 स्क्वायर इज 81. So BC square comes out to be 144. So if you take the square root, BC comes out to be 12 meter. So this is nothing but 12 meter. Similarly, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle DEC. ये वाले ट्राइंगल में आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. उसमें अप्लाई करेंगे तो अगेन यू विल गेट DC square is equals to DE square plus CE square. So DC square is given to you as 15 square, DE square is given to you as 12 square plus CE square. So CE square निकालना है, मतलब 15 square is again 225, 12 square is 144. So CE square comes out to be 81. So CE आपको मिल गया 9 meter. So this will be 9 meter. So can you say x plus y is nothing but 12 plus 9, and 12 plus 9 gives you 21 meter. That is 12 plus 9 will gives you 21 meter. So this is the distance between the width of the street, I can say, that is 21 meter, which the ladder is going to cover. I hope the diagram must be clear from the given situations. Have a look into this question. AB in the figure, you can see AD is perpendicular to BC. This line is perpendicular to BC. It makes 90 degree. BD is equals to thrice of CD. Prove that 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. So what is given in the question is, एक तो AD BC के perpendicular दिया है, दूसरी चीज दी है कि BD is equals to thrice of CD is equals to thrice of CD. So that is 3x into x. What we have mentioned in the diagram. Now let's have a proof here. What we need to prove is, ये statement हमको prove करना है. So in triangle, again we can take the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADB, ADB में Pythagoras theorem लगा दूंगी तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा? AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square मिलेगा. AB square मेरे पास, अच्छा मेरे को सबसे पहली बात, मेरे पास AB प्रूफ में है, AC प्रूफ में है, BC प्रूफ में है, क्या AD है क्या? नहीं. Again I need to eliminate AD as we did in the last question. So AB square minus BD square will be AD square. So this is the equation number 1. Again in the triangle ADC, ये वाला triangle ADC में देखेंगे तो AC square will be equal to AD square plus DC square. Again you can take AC square minus DC square is equals to AD square. This will be equation number 2. Can we equate both the equation? Because equation number 1 is also equal to AD square and equation number 2 is also equal to AD square. So by equating 1 and 2, we can write equating 1 and 2. First equation and second equation को equate करेंगे. So we will get AB square minus BD square will be equal to AC square minus DC square. Right? What we want is AB twice of AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now let's have a look. सबसे पहले BD square को मैं 3x लिख सकती हूँ. So AB square minus 3x का whole square is equals to, what is AC square remains as it is, DC square can be written as x square, isn't it? So leave AB square on one side and take this, this will become 9x square. So 9x square plus AC square minus x square. So AB square can be written as AC square plus 8x square. 9x square minus x square will become 8x square. Now what we wanted is, we want twice of AB square, twice of AC square. So can we multiply the equation with 2? Multiplying the equation with 2. So I will get twice of AB square is equals to twice of AC square plus 16x square. Now the question comes, the question arises, AB AC मुझे मिल गया, मेरा केवल क्या बच गया है? BC बच गया. So let's have a look here. Can I write this equation as 2AB square is equals to 2AC square? 16x square को क्या मैं 4x का whole square लिख सकती हूँ? Yes. And can I see from the diagram, my BC is nothing but 3x plus x, which is 4x. So can I, in the place of 4x, I can write BC twice of AC square plus BC का whole square. So it comes out to be twice of AB square is equals to twice of AC square plus BC square. So I hope the question must be clear. This is the statement which we need to prove. So just by applying the Pythagoras theorem, the question is done. Let's have a look into the next question. BL and CM are the medians of the triangle ABC. So CM and BL ये दोनों क्या है? Medians है. Medians है मतलब कि L is the midpoint of AC and M will be the midpoint of AB. Right angled at A, prove that 4 into BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 BC square. तो prove करना है कि ये 4 BL square plus CM square 5 BC square है. So what is given in the question is, I can say M and L are the midpoints of, these are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. AB and AC के ये mid points है. Now can we say that what we need to prove is, to proof में आप लोग ये statement लिख सकते हैं कि हमको ये proof करना है. अच्छा, you can see in the triangle, the whole triangle ABC, पूरे ABC में अगर यदि मैं पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगा दूं, in triangle ABC if I put Pythagoras theorem, it will be BC square is equals to AB square plus CA square. Let it be there like that. Now in triangle BAL, in triangle BAL, ये वाला triangle जो आपको दिखा है, इसमें again I will be using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem I can say BL square will be equal to AB square plus AL square by Pythagoras theorem. Now BL square is equals to AB square plus, can I take this, AL is nothing but half of AC, ये पूरी लेंथ के आधी है, so can I write AC by 2 का होल स्क्वायर. AL को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ, AL is nothing but AC by 2, बराबर. AL is AC by 2, so AC by 2 का होल स्क्वायर. Now we will open this. BL square is equals to AB square. It will be AC square upon 4. If I take the LCM, it will be, I will take this 4 this side. 4BL square is equals to 4AB square plus AC square. Isn't it? Let this be equation number 1. Now again you can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle CAM. This triangle, ये वाला triangle. So in triangle CAM, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, it will be CM square is equals to MA square plus AC square. So what we can write is MA square को क्या मैं again AB by 2 लिख सकती हूँ. So CM square is equals to AB by 2 का whole square is plus AC square. So again if I take the LCM, I will get, here I will get 4 CM square will be equal to AB square plus 4 AC square. This is my equation number 2. Can you see on the left hand side we want BL square plus CM square. In the first equation we have BL square, in the second equation we have CM square. Can we add both the equation, adding 1 and 2? Let's see what we will get. So we will add 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, what we will get is, on the left hand side we will get 4 BL square plus 4 CM square. This is the left hand side. Right hand side में मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 4 AB square plus AC square plus AB square plus 4 AC square. Can I take 4 common from the left hand side? And if I take 4 common, my equation will be BL square plus CM square, what I wanted, is equals to 4AB square plus AB square will give me 5AB square plus AC square plus 4AC square will give me 5AC square. So 4 of BL square plus CM square remains as it is equals to, I can take 5 common and in the bracket I will be remaining AB square plus AC square. Can you see from this, AB square plus AC square is nothing but BC square. तो substitute कर दो बस, क्या दे रही है. So 4 BL square plus CM square will be equal to 5 BC square. तो यही तो चीज प्रूफ करनी थी हमको. So I think the questions will be really easy when you compare. You just need to know कि Pythagoras theorem लगाना है. And जितने भी squaring वाले जो terms होते हैं mostly उसमें लगती है Pythagoras theorem. तो आपको proof भी आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा कि किस चीज़ में हमको Pythagoras theorem लगानी है, क्योंकि अलग से दिख करके आती है कि कहाँ पर हम Pythagoras theorem लगा सकते हैं. सबसे बड़ी बात, Pythagoras theorem लगाने के लिए हमारे पास right angle होना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. If you don't have right angle, you can't put Pythagoras theorem in that. So I hope up till now what we have studied the theorems related to the Pythagoras and the questions, it was easy and you understood all the things. We will stop the video today here, and in the next video we will see the few more questions remaining with the Pythagoras theorem and the chapter ends there. I hope you must have loved the content. Thank you. Bye bye. And if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.